Kaveri, also known as Kalyani, is an Indian actress and film producer who mostly appeared in Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, and Kannada languages. Starting her career in mid-90s, she had a critically acclaimed performance in the 2002 Telugu film Avvunu Valladru Ishta Padru that fetched her the Nandi Award of Best Actress. Kaveri was born into a Malayali family settled in Kavambagam, Tiruvalla, Kerala. Kaveri started her film career as a child artist in Malayalam film and then appeared in several Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu and Kannada language films. After playing lead and supporting roles in Malayalam and Tamil films, she enacted female lead roles in several Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada and Telugu language films. She has won the Kerala State Television Award for Best Actress in 2002 for Anna and Nandi Award for Best Actress for her performances in Avvunu Valladru Ishta Padru.